Hello student, topic number second, account of not-for-profit concern. On lecture number first, an organization which undertakes various activities without any profit motive but several societies or general public is called as not-for-profit organization. For example, sports club, charitable hospital, schools, colleges, public libraries, chamber of commerce, trade union, social welfare association, etc. The objective of which organization is not to earn profit but to give service. This not-for-profit organization renders social service to promote education, sport, culture, etc. They never engage in trading activity. The primary objective of this organization is to render service to its members and not to earn profit. They spend their income on promoting their objectives. From the surplus, they never pay any dividend to their members. नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट कॉन्सर्न म्हणजेच आता आपण लास्ट टॉपिक बघितलं आहे की प्रॉफिट कॉन्सर्न म्हणजेच फायनल अकाउंट हा प्रॉफिट कॉन्सर्न आहे, प्रॉफिटशी रिलेटेड आहे. पण हा जो टॉपिक आहे हा नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट कॉन्सर्न म्हणजे ज्यामध्ये प्रॉफिट कॉन्सर्न नाही, प्रॉफिट हा त्याचा ऑब्जेक्ट नाही, प्रॉफिट हा त्याचा मूळ उद्देश नाही, तर त्यामध्ये समाजाला सेवा देणे, समाजामध्ये जास्तीत जास्त सर्व्हिसेस प्रोव्हाइड करणे हा त्याचा मेन ऑब्जेक्ट आहे. There are certain organizations which are set up for the purpose of making profit, but the not-for-profit concern are making services. Sole trading concern, partnership firm, cooperative organization, public limited companies, etc. These organizations maintain book of account to find out the working result of the business during a particular financial year. They prepare profit and loss account and balance it on the basis of trial balance. The net result of the business is known as profit or loss. However, there are certain concerns which do not have profit motive. They are formed for rendering some useful service to its member or to society at large. Such concerns are called as not-for-profit concern. For example, sports club, professional institutions like Institution of Chartered Accountant of India, religious organization like temples, masjid, church, etc. Trust, social welfare, like as their main activities. Meaning of not-for-profit concern. Not-for-profit concern are those concerns which do not have profit motive. Any organization, association, club or concern which operates its activities for the benefit of its members or other do not have profit motive is called not-for-profit concern. This concern their efforts for providing the best possible service at the memorandum rate or even without any changes. The nature of this concern is difficult from the business organization. A concern or an organization which is formed and established to serve its members and society or general public by undertaking various activities without any profit motive is called a non-trading or not-profit concern or organization. Not-for-profit concern is also known as social, charitable or cultural organization, educational institution like school, colleges, university, etc. Clubs or associations, medical institutions like hospitals, cultural institutions like library, charitable institutions rendering help or giving away money or goods to the people affecting by others, etc., are called not-for-profit concern or organization. Not-for-profit concern collects income through different sources such as subscription from its members, entrance fees, admission fees, donations, government grant, etc. Income so collected is spent on different activity it undertake. It buy and process different type of assets, make provision for further plans, create fund or various purpose such as building fund, endowment fund, prize fund, etc. And the features of not-for-profit concern. This organization undertake activities not for earning profit but to give service. Not for profit organizations spend their income or promotion of an art, culture, sport, education, charity, and other social activities. This concern prohibit the payment of dividend to their members. The members interested to the activity of the not-for-profit concern because the members by paying subscription and entrance fees. The managing committee of elected members looks after the management of the not-for-profit concern. The managing committees elect their chairman, secretary, trustee and other than office bearers. This organization prepare income and expenditure account at the end of each accounting year to ascertain whether their income is sufficient to meet their expenditure. This organization prepare balance sheet at the end of each accounting year to find out the financial position. Capital fund of the organization is made up of entrance fees, special donation received from members, surplus is added to capital fund and deficiencies deducted from the capital fund. Not-for-profit organizations are also called service organization as they render social service to promote education, sport, culture, etc. Clubs, educational institutions like school, college, public libraries, hospital, etc. are called not-for-profit organization. First objective is a not-for-profit concern are formed to promoting art, culture, education, religion, sport, charity, health, etc. The primary objective of such concern is to provide goods and service to its member and do not earn profit. Then second one is a dividend. This concern prohibits the payment of any dividend in their members and membership. The person who are interested in activity of the concern become the members of such concern by paying entrance fees, subscription, life membership fees, etc. Democratic management. The management of such concern is done by elected representative of members. Such representative from the managing committee of the governing body. They elect a chairman who is the official head of the concern. They also elect the office bearer like secretary, treasurers, etc. account to be prepaid not for profit concern prepare income and expenditure account to find out surplus or deficit. Capital fund is created by such concern. It is make up of entrance fees, surplus, legacies and donations specially received for capital fund. Donation, grant and any other receipt specially received from creating and certain fund, for example building fund, prize fund, flood affecting relief fund, etc. are transferred to such specific fund. नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट ऑर्गनायझेशनचा ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह म्हणजेच मग उद्देश काय आहे तर प्रमोटिंग करणं म्हणजेच किंवा प्रेरणा देणं, प्रोत्साहन देणं कशासाठी तर नॉन प्रॉफिट ज्या काही ॲक्टिव्हिटीज आहेत त्याच्यासाठी, म्हणजेच आर्ट असेल, कल्चर असेल, एज्युकेशन असेल, रिलिजन असेल, स्पोर्ट्स असेल, चॅरिटी, हेल्थ या सगळ्यासाठी. देन डिव्हिडंड हा जो आहे हा जनरली तिथे पेमेंट्स दिला जात नाही, तर जो काय असणारा डिव्हिडंड ज्याला आपण लाभांश म्हणतो हा त्या मेंबर्समध्ये राखीव निधी म्हणून ठेवला जातो आणि त्यानंतर उरलेला जो असेल तो मेंबर्समध्ये काही प्रमाणात वाटला जातो. तर मेंबरशिपच्या बाबतीत जर आपण विचार करायला गेलो तर त्या ठिकाणी मेंबर्स होणं हे काही कोणत्याही प्रकारे बंधन घातलेलं नाही आहे. ऐच्छिकरित्या त्या ठिकाणी मेंबर्स होता येतं आणि त्यासाठी काही शुल्क किंवा नाममात्र अशी फी आहे, ज्याला एंट्रन्स फीज असं म्हटलं जातं किंवा सबस्क्रिप्शन लाईफ मेंबरशिप फीज म्हणून ती आकारली जाते. या ठिकाणी अकाउंट जे प्रिपेअर केलं जातं आहे म्हणजेच नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट ऑर्गनायझेशनमध्ये अकाउंट प्रिपेअर केलं जातं आहे ते इन्कम अँड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट प्रिपेअर केलं जातं आहे, जे सरप्लस अँड डेफिसिट, सरप्लस और डेफिसिट फाइंड आउट करत असतं. यामध्ये जर सरप्लस झालेला असेल तर तो कॅपिटल फंडमध्ये ॲड होतो अँड जर डेफिसिट्स असेल तर लेस फ्रॉम द कॅपिटल फंड. एंट्रन्स फीज, सरप्लस, लेगॅसीज, डोनेशन्स स्पेशली रिसिव्ड फ्रॉम कॅपिटल फंड असं जर असेल तर त्यावेळेला ते कॅपिटल फंडमध्ये ॲड केलं जाते किंवा अदरसुद्धा काही स्पेशल फंड आहेत जे स्पेशल फंड म्हणून दाखवले जातात. देन डिफरन्स बिटवीन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गनायझेशन अँड नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट ऑर्गनायझेशन. प्रायमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह. The primary object of profit organization is to earn profit. जास्तीत जास्त प्रॉफिट मिळवणे हा प्रॉफिट ऑर्गनायझेशनचा प्रायमरी ऑब्जेक्ट आहे. बट द नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट ऑर्गनायझेशन इज प्रायमरी ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्रोव्हाइड सर्व्हिसेस. देन प्रिपरेशन ऑफ ट्रायल बॅलन्स. Profit organization it's prepare trial balance. Not for profit organization it prepares receipt and payment account. Do not prepare trial balance. An organization which is established with the objective of earning profit and service society through undertaking productions or distributions of goods or service is called profit organization. But not for profit organization, an organization which is established to serve its members and society or general public by undertaking various activities without any profit motive is called as not for profit organization. Then accounting statements. Profit organization it prepares the trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Profit organization it's prepare receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Then net result. Profit organization it prepares profit and loss account to ascertain net result in the form of profit or loss. But the not for profit organization it present income and expenditure account to find out net result in the form of deficit or surplus. And the last one is owner's fund or owner's capital fund. Profit organization, capital balance and balancing reserve and surplus together constitution owner's fund or a capital fund. But the not-for-profit organization capital fund includes accumulated amount of surplus shown by income and expenditure account, subscription, donations, etc. Then needs for maintaining books of account and preparation of final account. म्हणजे एवढी सगळी इन्फॉर्मेशन घेतल्यानंतर आपण म्हणतोय की जे काही सर्व्हिसेस दिलेल्या असतात ज्या ठिकाणी नफा मिळवला जात नाही तर त्याचं देखील बुक रेकॉर्डिंग करणं हे तेवढंच इम्पॉर्टंट्स आहे किंवा ते करणं गरजेचं आहे. तर नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट कॉन्सर्न्स are not engaged in the profit making activities. They deal with public money. Considerable amount is collected as subscription, donations, grants, entrance fees, etc. Not for profit organization is answerable to the society of such money collected the spent by them. Hence, proper books of account are required to be maintained. Like it's to maintain proper control or monetary transactions. To have control over the cash transactions, inflow and outflow cash, to know the sources of fund and its applications, different heads of expenditure on which amount is spent, to avoid legal or wrong parties and misappropriation of fund and assets, to comply with the provision of law applicable to the such organization. For example, cooperative societies registered under the Cooperative Societies Act is required to follow the previous to budget audits and the account maintain books of account to find out surplus or deficit of the concern during a particular period. And the financial position or net worth of the concern on particular date. Usually not-for-profit concern maintain the cash book, general ledger, members register, register of assets, donation register, specialized register like student register, patient register, customer register, etc.